What's up YouTube? Welcome to Monday Meals with Mike, and today we are going to take you through a zucchini noodle chicken parm that you will absolutely love. It's easy to make. You got to have a few tools that I will walk you through, but we're going to take you through step by step, so enjoy the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and they're covered in fat. The first thing that I always do is I trim them off with these meat shears, and I put them right back in the bag that I had them frozen in for easy disposal. So I'm just going to go through, pick off, cut off the fat, put it in the bag. Okay, now that those 3 are done, we're going to go ahead and grab our fillet knife, and you're going to fillet each breast perfectly in half. Now, if you've been following me for a little bit, and I want to say thank you for finally reaching 100 subscribers, that's awesome. You'll notice that I got some new pots and pans coming in for this video, and my wife bought them for me. They are made from Cook Lover. Ceramic, non-stick. This skillet imitates grill marks like you wouldn't believe, and I'm going to show you that. But right now, while all 6 breasts are currently cut, we are going to throw them right in the pan, and you can season them however you want. Okay, so you can see my chicken's over here on the oven. It takes up the whole skillet. Right now is when I season it, and I leave it on just a little below medium heat. And we're going to use some kosher salt and pepper, and that's all I use. But like I said, anything that you want to season your chicken, you're more than welcome to use. So we all know why you actually clicked on this video, and it's for the zucchini noodles. So what you're going to need is 3 whole zucchinis. Cut them in half. Don't worry about taking the ends off. You're going to leave them on, and I'm going to show you why in a little bit. Perfect. This is a $10 zucchini spiraler from Walmart, and it is worth every penny. You got to do a little extra work. It's not the cool one with the hand crank. You're going to do all the turning. But it works so efficiently, and I've used it at least a dozen times now, and it also works for sweet potatoes, but that's a separate video. So as you can see, I grabbed a very shallow bowl. I'm going to set the spiraler right on top. The cut part of the zucchini is going to go in. You're just going to grab and spin, and you can see that it is bringing out zucchini slices. Now the reason you don't do the whole zucchini, if you don't cut them in half, you will get 6-foot long noodles, and it is absolutely insane. And you're just going to keep spinning till that gets down to where your fingers almost touch the blades. So you're just going to jam that top right into the zucchini and spin it. When you get to the bottom, you take it out, leaves you your little cork. You can save that to cook it up, or you can just discard it. Take the other half of the zucchini, put it right in the bowl, and repeat. Okay, so in the pan, we are going to drop a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. That's going to help crispen them up. You're going to drop just about a tablespoon in. Swirl it to coat. And drop your noodles right in the pan. You can hear them sizzle. And you're just going to spin them around. Grab yourself a fork, fluff them up. And at this point, you're going to cook them to your desired crispiness. If you want them mushy, leave them in a little longer. If you want them crisp, just keep turning and leave them in for about 5 minutes. I like mine crispy, so that's what I do. And at this point, you can add your salt, pepper, anything that you want to your desired flavor. Okay, so I'm going to bring this pan right up nice and close. These have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. That is the perfect consistency. Look at the steam on them. So you kill the heat, you let them sit, and the chicken's still got about another 10 minutes left to go. So I'll check in with you on that and show you how that's going. Once the cheese is on, you let it set, melt everything through for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you are ready to serve. And that's all there is to it. I want to thank you guys for your continued support. So if you found this video at all helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I post my home workouts daily. I'll leave my handle right here. If there's anything you want to see made for healthy eating or meal prepping, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know. Till then, stay fit, stay focused. We'll catch you on the next one. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Monday Meals with Mike. We're going to take...